Here we are, end of the holiday weekend. I'm not feeling well. I think it's all the stuff that I've eaten all weekend. And I got to go to work right now. It's Monday evening. All right, so here, update on the Ranger. I've got the bump steer kit in. I've done a partial alignment to get the wheels straight. My rack and pinion was a little too long for this truck. I don't think it was the right one for this truck, but I'm pretty sure I had this much thread on it, which that was more than enough. So I cut off almost half of it. So now it's only this long, and I was able to get it threaded all the way on. So that made the alignment on these toed in, so they were like pigeon toed. And now I was able to adjust them back out a little bit and get them done. We've cleaned up all underneath. Got all of the excess air lines and stuff that was underneath here. Got it all thrown away. I've got a few more things I need to cut off. I was looking at these. These bag cups. I'm going to have to either buy some new ones or remake these ones. The ring here is fine. This is practically sheet metal on the bottom of the plate. I mean, it's not even thick at all. I mean, I can flick this, and it is not, no. Anyway, with it even tightened down, you can see how it's been bent. So I'm either going to put a new bottom on this one, or I'm going to see if the other bag cups I got from my buddy Snowman, these are the ones that go to the truck, and then I've got these ones that came off of something else. I'm going to see if these will fit in there. Bag cups, these are nasty too, but I'm going to get the bags. I've got new bags for it. Those are going to go into the truck. I don't know what they are. They're probably generic. Yeah, there's no names on them, but they look good. So I'll end up putting those on the front. What else? I'm not feeling good at all. I've taken all my valves that I have, and I took them all apart, all the fittings apart of everything. I'm going to sort through all this crap, try to figure out exactly what I want to use. I think I'm going to use these Max Air. I'm going to take them apart, clean them, get the rust out. I'm going to need a bolt for the top of this one, put that back on. And then I've got these, whatever the hell these are, and I'm going to fix this wiring problem that's right here so that I can get these to start working again. And if by chance I need more, I got these. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 for the back, 2 on each side. So I have, oh no, I'm sorry, for the front. So I can adjust the front suspension individually. And then I'll have 1 for the rear, up and down. So 6 valves altogether, 6 switches. But that's pretty much the update this weekend on the truck. I got all the crap that was in the back there. I got it all straightened out and put away. This side of the shop, I've got it straightened out so that I can get by over here. I've sorted a bunch of stuff out there and gotten this straightened up a little bit more over here. Oh, I fixed my refrigerator. Let me show you how I did that. It was trying to freeze everything. Everything was freezing no matter what temperature I put it at. Turns out that thermostat, now I've got it hooked up with a zip tie, is supposed to be against the freezer. Well, now I can actually turn it up and it'll kick on. Now I can probably put it back where it's supposed to be. But yeah, my battery was dying. I had to turn the battery up, my other battery on. I have a battery in the case. So that's that. What else? Not much else. This is not going to make it to Sparks. I'm going to tell you that. Every time I play with something, I find something that's just not 100% safe. And I can't do that. I can't just get in and drive it. You know, I was told by another mini trucker, man, just go ahead and drive it. Just get in it and go. And can't do that. My life, my family's future, you know, it takes all of us together to do something with our lives. And if I'm not here, if I die or my wife's driving it and she dies, then what? So no, I'm not taking that chance. We washed the cars. So we washed Gina's car, and so it's nice and clean and ready to go. We washed Mom's cars up front. I did the redneck thing and did not prepare my wheels over here, but I painted them anyway, just so that they were black, and I think it gives it a pretty good look. Like I said, Mom's car is done. I had to mow this weekend. I had to weed eat. This lady is just lovely. She worked all weekend. She was off today and helped me out a little bit. Put some more stuff in the camper. The Mazda's still waiting on us to play with it. It's been one hell of a weekend. I think I got heat exhaustion. So that's it. That's the whole update for the weekend. You guys have a good rest of your weekend. It's just about over. We're all going back to work. So that's it. Subscribe. I'm so excited this weekend. I'm sick. I'm sorry. I feel like a big pile of brown poop. I'm already brown, so now I'm just poop, which means I'm number 2, which means I'm the shit. Yeah, it's enough playing. Talk to you guys next week.